Morning guys, we're going to run this. Same rules as usual, 3 times. Then that'll determine the draft order. Bottom 5 will get a spot into that Gretzky Auto magazine cover, PSA DNA. And that's about it. So we will go live. The time is 8:42 a.m. 8:42 a.m. We'll copy our list. And there's our list. And we end with Edward Hanna and start with Tommy. So good luck guys. First time Jason Green on top. Second time Ricky's on top. First timestamp. First one done at 8:42 a.m. 8:42. Third and final time. Good luck guys. So it starts off with Greg, Danny, Jonathan, Damon, Edward, Jason, Edward, Ricky, Timmy, and Alan in the top 10. Then we go John, Jonathan, Tommy, Andy, Greg, Chris, Michael, Jason, John, Mike, Darren, and Ricky. Sammy, Danny, Edward, Greg, Timmy, Jonathan, Alan, Eric, John, Edward, Phil, Tommy, Remy, Michael, Danny, and Remy. Remy, you got hammered again, buddy. No luck at all in mine. What are buddies for, right? So, the time is 8:43. 8:43, that was the final timestamp. Again, here's the top 5. Congrats, guys. Thanks for the support. Probably maybe post another one in a few weeks. Same kind of deal. And thanks and good luck for the next one.